This is Crescent Beach Park and South Surrey, British Columbia. This place is a dog beach park. So if you have a dog, just bring him here and so they can enjoy the dog beach park. So the dog stays there. Just let it go, the dog, like, because it's all gated. So that dog can swim. Just remove the leash so the dog can swim there. So that's why they put these fences so the dog stays there. Awesome. Hey, if you're a dog lover, come here and get Crescent Beach Park. There's lots of things you can do here. Kayaking, you can rent, paddle, sailing. There, that building there. Look at it, so peaceful here. A lot of people coming here on Saturday, Sunday, because this coming Saturday there is a rowing event. Starts 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. September the 17th. So this is gonna be full of people here. Now it's nice and quiet. All is free. Parking is free. Look at the sunset. It's so beautiful. Look at that. There's a boat there. Look at the beautiful sunshine. This is a paddle club. You can come here and rent. Oh, look at this. It's beautiful here. See what it says there. Crescent Beach Paddle Shack, kayak, supplies, rentals, tours, lessons. Wow. The other side is Surrey Sailing Club. This is the part of South Surrey. We're watching sunset today. Sunset is coming. This is so much fun here, this area. I love this park here. So beautiful. I have lots of trees. Big tree. So beautiful here. This park, when it's Saturday, Sunday, this is full of people. Yeah. Lots of things you can do outdoor here because there's free parking, there's 2 washrooms here, there's a dog park, dog beach, there's table tennis, no, not table tennis, tennis club here, you can join it. And there's also a swimming club here. The good thing is a free parking. This is the other side of South Surrey Crescent Beach Park. Lots of outdoor recreational here. Yeah, you can swim here too. It's beautiful here. Oh, look at there's a boat in there. It's a nice place here. Lots of barbecue. Tables you can look at. Chair to sit down, table to do picnic here. Boundary Bay Wildlife Management Area. It's a beautiful day today. Look at that beautiful sunshine, the cloud and the water, the ocean, the air. My goodness, you can't, so amazing. Can't buy a superior air quality here to the ocean. This is beautiful. Wow, look at that. It's almost sunset now. Look at this beautiful flowers. Wow, look at these flowers. So beautiful. It's just amazing how they design with the flowers. Just beautiful. It's beautiful to sit down here. Listening to the waves, watching the sunset. That's almost sunset now. I think it's just beautiful here. Beautiful. Now here you can wash your hands with this water. Or you can rinse out here from the swim and the beach. Oh, I want to know if these people cut crops now. They were throwing a bait at chicken legs, drumsticks, thigh, chicken thigh. So this is the pier. You can come here and enjoy it. I want to know if they get the cut, if they catch the crabs. So here you can bring your crab trap. Well, you got to buy crab license before you can do that. You can throw your fishing. What you can do here. Oh, look at this, almost sunset. Sunset is coming. Beautiful here. So beautiful here. Is there?